Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making French fries. Very crispy, tasty without preservatives, homemade French fries. Potato 400 grams. Mary's Piper potato variety. Peel the skin. Potato is clean now. Cut into small or thin pieces. I am making thin French fries. It's extra crispy. Perfect size. Boil the water. Add little bit salt. Cook the potato until 50% done. Potato 50% cooked. Keep aside. In a hot oil, fry the fries. Stir occasionally. Fry for 6 minutes on medium heat. Drain off fries. Cool completely. You can freeze these fries and prepare when required. You can store up to 6 months in refrigerator. In a hot oil, deep fry in hot oil. Stir occasionally. Fry until changes color, golden brown and crispy. Add peri peri powder on top. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon. Whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.